Loh, ini nih kayak gini nih harus disyukuri. Kakek, neneknya masih sehat walafiat datang kemari. Ya kakek ya. Ato kakeknya. Oke. Ato. Menyele rumah kakek aku tahu. Nya Ato ya. Atonya gaul ya. Luar biasa. Tepuk tangan dulu dong pada yang ulang tahun. Nah, malam hari ini nih ya, kenapa saya dipanggil sini? Untuk membawa suasana lebih bahagia tentunya, alhamdulillah. Terima kasih buat Kak Diah ya yang udah berikan kehormatan buat saya untuk jadi host malam ini. Banyak pengalaman, banyak kejadian-kejadian di umur 17. Saya 17 tahun tuh tsunami loh. 18 tahun saya pas saat tsunami. Jadi saya dewasa sebelum waktunya Pak. Umur 20 tahun saya udah kerja cari uang sendiri. Umur 7 mana? Fajar? Ini SMA elit lagi. Kan SMA orang pinter-pinter itu. Iya kan orang pilihan kan? Pinter-pinter nih IQ-nya nih. Luar biasa, tepuk tangan dong Fajar Harapan. Tapi saya senang. Fajar Harapan ini ada beberapa anak Fajar Harapan yang memang requestnya Frizi untuk MC. Jadi saya memang udah terkenal di Fajar Harapan. Alhamdulillah. Buat acaranya kenapa tanggal 28? Tunggu jadwal saya kosong. Oh ujian. GR saya ya. Kenapa? Akhirnya kok kenapa pilih malam minggu ini? Tes. Si sama pelajar ya.
Ya awalnya kenapa nggak bikin pas tanggal 11 karena ujian nasional.
Oke.
Jadi di asrama lagi ujian nggak mungkin keluar. Terus kenapa baru sekarang? Karena ambil sela-sela waktu karena kan ini tidak bisa lagi 10 hari lagi menuju SBMPTN yang bisa kuliah. Jadi karena teman-teman semua pada sibuk dan saya sendiri juga sedang mengikuti dicudilah sela-sela waktunya untuk ya sedikit mengapresiasi diri sendiri atas keberhasilan dan semoga karena takut teman-teman udah pada mencar semua nanti, jadi ya daripada kopong ngerayain sendiri mumpung masih ada teman-teman semuanya dan masih bisa hadir ya diajak terus gitu.
Oke, aduh anak-anak sekarang sibuknya luar biasa ya. Experience ya, pengalaman hidupnya dari kecil sampai sekarang ya, storytelling nih buat teman-teman semua. In English, live. Bahasa Inggris ya, bukan bahasa Padang.
Basically, I don't really know what should I be telling, what story should I explain here in front of all of you who, spend your time to actually visit me on this night during all your busy schedule, and you actually make the time to come and visit me for everything. First of all, to all my friends and my seniors, thank you for coming here. I really appreciate it because I know you guys are really busy and you guys actually make the time for me. It really makes me happy. And if I can cry, I would like to cry right now, but I know I can't cry right now, so I didn't. So well, basically thanks, and I'm sorry for it took such a long time. It's very late for the 2 point. I'm so sorry it was late. So I don't know what should I actually be telling you guys. Basically you guys know me already from junior high school or from Fajar Harapan. And of course, especially my roommates and my bandmate, obviously, Jae. So what should I be telling? I don't know. Well, I entered Fajar Harapan not because I actually like Fajar Harapan, but because I was told that it's good and people say like it's a dormitory school. It would teach you how to be self-disciplined and so on. Back then, I don't even know what a dormitory is. I only know Modal Bangsa, and I actually tried to have a test at Modal Bangsa and I passed. But when I thought that people at Modal Bangsa cannot go home at Saturday, but instead they go home on Sunday, and my home is over this and Musa is over there. It was like very far away, so I didn't choose Modal Bangsa, and in the end I tried to test at Fajar Harapan. Back then I really remember it was Sunday morning. I actually passed at 2 places, Fajar Harapan and that school at that time. And all of my family, they all gather around and meet with me at Gang Padang that time. And I still remember tomorrow at the Monday, it was the last day for Fajar Harapan registration. And my parents was asking me and all my family, so one that you would like to choose? Is it Fajar Harapan or Lab School? Because if Fajar Harapan, then I'm going to dormitory for 3 years. But if Lab School, then I'm as free as everyone else. So back then, I don't like how things are going for me back at junior high school 6. I will not have college for this year. I will be, pengangguran, and I don't want that. It's scary. I don't want that at all. Or else I will just be the same as other 2001 kid. 2001 kid will have their college next year. If I don't enter college this year, I will just be the same as them, and I don't want that. It's, it's a waste if I'm entering college next year. So I don't know what else. Perhaps that's all. 1 minute more. About what?
About what? I don't know about what. I don't know about your parents maybe.
About what? Doctor?
Your parents. Thanks to your parents.
Yeah. Thank you.
Your ato, your ato. Are you so special guest today?
And yes, I'm also very grateful for everyone that came tonight. I'm really happy, really.
Jadi plus dong. Iya, jadi saya tangkap dan terima kasih kepada orang tuanya. Jadi ada ngerti semua ya, nggak usah ditranslate ya. What do you feel? Kenapa nggak bisa nasi takut maskaranya luntur? Ya itu sebabnya ya. Oh, rombongan haji kloter berapa? Oh, kloter 12. Ada rombongan satu belum datang? Nggak datang atau? Dari mana? Dari Khalifah. On the way. On the way, alhamdulillah. Tadi sempat bilang ada datang juga. Oh ya. Tapi memang this is your lucky night ya.
Dengan bertambahnya umur di ulang tahun yang ke-17, semoga sehat selalu, lulus SBM, jago bahasa Arab, jadi
pokoknya bahasa Arab. Memang lagi belajar bahasa Arab. Sikit-sikit ya, anak-anak anta-anta. Saya
Untuk Jihan barakallah, semoga umurnya berkah, menjadi pribadi yang lebih baik lagi dan menjadi wanita yang solehah.
wanita yang solehah. Katanya simple, tapi agak sedikit berat ya menjadi solehah ya. Ambil simul ya. Terima kasih.
Tahu nggak? Nggak. Sama ya tuh sama-sama dengarnya dia.
Top bola futsal. Ayo. Siapa?